Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what a day in the life as a digital nomad in Tenerife looks like. In the morning I wake up and make my bed. After that I'm going to make some breakfast. Some delicious protein pancakes and some really delicious fruits from the trees here in Tenerife. That's a good way to start your day, just on your own tranquilidad, make some breakfast. The nice thing here is in winter time it's 20 degrees, so you can easily sit outside and enjoy your breakfast in the sun on your terrace. After that I always go for a swim. It's always fun to jump in the pool and have some kind of refreshment, especially in the morning. The place where I was staying was in the north of Tenerife, and the villa was amazing. The views were wonderful and the place was just incredible. The people were also really nice and it was just a really good time. After I went for a swim, I make a coffee and then I start my day of work. Usually I work around 4 to 8 hours a day, and after my work is done I mostly go for a trip or some hidden beach or the mountains. Today I went to a village close to Park the Anagna, which is really beautiful. As you can see here, it's really it's crazy to think it's winter here. But yeah, it's a beautiful island, lots of things to do, to see. When you're done working, you can just do whatever you want. You're in the sun, you're outside, you're living. So that's what I really like about this island. Yeah, and the waves here in this village were crazy, like super huge. And then I also went for a swim in one of the natural pools, which is really nice. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this village to go if you're in Tenerife, and it was not so far from my house, I think about 15 minutes. So that's really amazing, and I went with my housemates, we all went together, so that's really nice. And after that I went for a ride to top of Mount Teide. So Mount Teide is the highest volcano in Tenerife. I think it's the highest mountain or the highest in Spain. So it's really nice. A housemate of mine had a cabrio, so we just went with it, and just with the open roof. It's a little bit cold because it was on top of the mountain. It's almost 0 degrees, but it's really just a feeling. You're in the clouds, you see the volcano. It's just crazy to have this, just crazy to have this kind of view so nearby. Then I also made some drone shots, so we stopped at some places, some beautiful viewpoints. We stopped, I made some drone shots, really one of the craziest views you can have on the drone. It's crazy. Then after that, not so far from our villa, there is this viewpoint, and you can walk all the way down. There are some rocks/stairs. So guys, in the afternoon I always try to go for a hike with some music. And these hikes here are really steep, so they're really intense. And I like to do that kind of things just to get clear my mind. And, you know, here it's perfect. The view on the volcano, you know, it's ideal, and it's not cold. Yo guys, welcome in Tenerife. I'm here on the Canary Islands, and as you can see, it's really beautiful nature here, walking in the nature. Today it's the 11th December, yeah, and it's 28 degrees, so that's crazy, right? I'm looking for a spot to make some content here. It's just really nice when the sun is setting to go for a hike there and see the sunset, watch the sea, watch the waves. Mostly I go there alone. It's just really nice to some time for yourself and enjoy the nature there. It's really really eye-opening. Damn, these hills, they always keep surprising. So these last shots, well, were some funny vlog content. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a like if you did. And see you in the next one.